Ok, ta hẳn là dương vậy nhạy và to tiện ná. Ta. Bây giờ tí mùi ní cái đã thả we always welcome their visit. Cho nên cho ca dương sva cung đòi ca mọc ly như là bỏ bộ kê. Rùm lực tịnh ná vì thi trả dương. Chết đò lại. Chân cư dương chạp vô ấy kế. Chạp vô anh ấy phải dùng thòm đá muối á. Muốn bê dương vậy nhé. Dương chạy về GP ná. Dương chạy về GP cho tớ. Anh ấy cái hàng thập này thì muối cứ bật thiên. Anh ấy simple subject. Mà tao mà phải này verb. Nè, welcome. Rồi train rồi internet mà ổn. Train là sao vì chụp cho mình đang noun. Noun fresh nè. Bà noun fresh. Chẳng noun fresh đào tua cho object bỏ verb. Mà trong này always cái ao chúng ta ấy cái adverb of frequency nè. Cái thì gia sắp vì sẽ prap hiếp nhật nhọp. Bà chẳng vì miền tu này tí pre-modifier nè. Một bên này bị một tại crowd này out welcome. Chẳng chạp bị cái này. Always tại crowd này cái ao chúng ta complete predicate. Và nhẹ anh tích project đó bà. Complete predicate. Anh nên cái hào thay cái xong nóประเทศในเป็นเกมเป็นในเอาเจ้าดอ simple predicate simple predicate คือ welcome ว่าด่าใจตีเตอร์ผมเลิกได้เมียนแต่เวิร์บมันไอ้เนี่ยนะ simple predicate หรือก็อย่างหาถ้า predicate word ว่าผมเลิกได้เตอร์บอกว่าอะไรด่าจังจังสำหรับสกายเมาส์ปี welcome ในเครื่องประโยคนี้ดาวตัวจี verb นะบ่าดาวเมาส์ประโยคมันตัวกันนะ they gave me a very warm welcome in England cái bàn bắt đầu ca sva cùng giang cọ cái đau đòi nhom nở bật thì on class chứng dương chạy về chụp pi tới đây này thì mũiจะ subject nè bà chụp pi kéo tới cáiเอาchúng ta complete predicate chẳng kéo nít đau tua chỉ phải này verb hai vía cứ chuyện đài train nè vì miền bản cảm pi tí mũi cứ in direct object nè nè bà hai nè adjective bột cho môi năng warm adjective bột cho môi năng welcome chỉ noun nè cho noun fresh và chẳng như này tha năng cứ cho noun fresh đào tua chỉ direct object là bao gèo nó những direct object trong này very ní việc cứ chỉ adverb degree bằng bên này ơi warm nè năng miền tây việt môi năng adverb of degree mà mình đã áo khai lúc bông ôn tới riêng về mình hiền nhé chẳng chăm warm welcome very ní cứ chỉ adverb degree bằng bên này ai warm bằng bên này aiแต่ warm มวยดินะให้ in จี preposition จะเป็น preposition แต่กลายเป็น prepositional phrase เนี่ยในกราวนี้ก็เอาชื่อว่า prepositional object จังดักบกดัก prepositional phrase อะไรนั่นคือเวมีนตัวนิติบอกเป็นในแต่เอาแก้วแปลถ้าเกี่ยวกับการสวากรมก็ได้ในนะในอังกฤษเนาะจัง prepositional phrase นี่จะประพบแล้วเปิดเวียนเป็นในแต่ adverb เวียนคล้ายจะ adverb แต่ถ้าวิธี phrase เอาแต่ adverb phrase of place มาประเทศอังกฤษมวยตีกันท่า there is some base pepper here เมียนแกให้ได้กันได้จิกะสำนักมาจะนู่นนั่นที่นี่ยืงเราประเทศแมนเทนบอกเวียบอกโอนประเทศแมนเทนบอกเวียเนี่ย some base pepper นี่คือ adjective โบกจมวยนังอันนี้คล้ายจะ adjective หายโบกจมวยนัง noun คล้ายจะ noun fresh ตามพัดอันนั้นคือจีประเทศพัดประกอบอ่ะนะนั่นก็ให้ท่า real subject real subject บ่าจังเป็นตัวที่ complement เนี่ย is จะไฟใน verb in train นะแต่ถ้าเติม linking ผู้อันนั้นให้ดาวเปเดียนี่ก็เอาชื่อท่า unclear หรือ unreal subject บ่าขยมนายจะประจักษ์ตายแล้วนะเมเรียนตีใบบกวันเจ้าจำนายไอ here เนี่ยเวลาตัวชื่อ adverb of place adverb of place adverb of place นี่มีตัวในที่บำเพ็ญนาเกคือบำเพ็ญในตัวอ้อยซ้ำเนี่ยมาอันนั้นยังไอ้เอาถ้า adverb of modifier กับบ้านนะแต่อันนี้ยังจังเด่นเป็นอย่างแต่ซ้ำเองจังสำหรับอะไรมาจังประเจ้าถ้า welcome ในขนมประโยคที่มุ้ยคือชื่อ verb welcome ในขนมประโยคที่ปีคือชื่อ noun จำนาย I west ในขนมประโยคที่ใบนี้คือชื่อ adjective ปลุกไอ้เวียตรบำเพ็ญในตัวอ้อย pepper เนี่ยซ้ำก็เป็นในตัวอ้อย pepper ได้เข้าใจจังประเจ้าแต่ปานนั้นดิให้ไงเนี่ยยมกันนะสังคมท่าหนังบานจอบโอเคต่อเลยยังเวทใหญ่ปะต่อแต่ตีดกันไรนี่ยมประจักษ์นะตามปิดดอนบ่เคยดอนเตยเปลี่ยนเวียนนะ do not waste your time and money กรมเช็คชีไปเรียนหนึ่งลอยกาดวันนี้ you know the proverb เนี่ยเจ้ proverb มวยได้กินยัยถ้า waste not one not ได้หรือก็อดบ่า waste not one notนั่งมีเรื่องเนี่ยเตยแต่ใจนี่ขนมเปี้ยมันได้เตียนบ่าอันนั้นแปลถ้าประเทศบ้านประจันกุ้งนะให้กันไรนึงยมกระจัดตุกทำวิจีเปี้ยสลับมวยวิจีนาวแต่เป็นออกยมจัดตุกวิจีประจุกยมมาถือไอ้วิจังอ๋อแต่ยมนึงเปลี่ยนตามกล่าวต่อ chẳng nàyประเทศวิคือ you จะ subject ไฟในวิดูนะรู้ตัว in train จำนาย not นี่ negative adverb หรือก็ adverb of disagreement นี่จังได้บ่ไปในแต่อ้อย vest นี่จะ verb นะ train บ่จากเชียช่วยนั่ง compound object อัดใหญ่จ้าเนี่ยจังไปได้มั้งบ่ compound object จังไปดาวตัวจะ object บอก vest นี่มาจับมาเรื่องอันนี้ you จะ subject นะบอกประโยคมวยเตี้ยนี่จะ find verb บอก you train แล้วใส่ไปชุบ the proverb นะเช่นจะนอน fresh จะ object บอกในมาจำนายเปียถ้า vest not one not นี่ vest not one not นี่จำกรอนจะต้องทำวิจิ noun มวยแต่ปนเอานะวิจิสุเพียสัตจังจะด่า noun ด่าแต่ noun มวยปนเอามานะมีอันตัวที่ปกติในproverb เนี่ยแกหา in a position นั่นin a position ปกติในให้คราบเรื่องกับตอนแวะใหญ่ต่างแต่ทราบเป็นเรื่องมวยเดียด there is a lot of waste in a house where the wife is not a good housekeeper บางทีทำเป็นกระติกกระตีมีการสำรองชันมันแต่ในของประเทศได้ประปุ่นมันแมนเจเนอรีบจำประเทศดอกละอ้อนี่อะไรเงี้ยมั้งคือเดียนี่ดาวตัวจะ unclear subject นะ unclear subject ว่าวิจิตรอย่างปนัง is จะไฟในเวิร์บวิเตอร์ in train แต่ทราบวิเตอร์จะลิงกิ้งจูบ a lot of waste lot of นี่จัดตุกวิจิอาจจะเที่ยวมวยตั้งโบจะเป็น vest จะ noun phrase ว่าจังเป็นท่านั่งวิมีนตัวในที่ complement is complement I subject นะจังดอล in เนี่ยจะ prepo จับเป็น prepo ดูกลาย prepositional phrase ตั้งอันนั้นอัดควาลอะไรคือ prepositional phrase มีนตัวที่ใส่เกยบอมเป็นในแต่ noun เนี่ยวิคลายจะ adjective แต่สามวิ phrase adjective phrase จับให้how นี่ดาวตัวจะ noun phrase object របស់ prepo ចំណែក where ดาวតួជា relative adverb ដឹកមុខ adjective ខ្លះណាចឹងវាមានតួនាទី2ទី1ភ្ជាប់ main ខ្លះទៅកាន់ subordinate ខ្លះហើយទី2វាចូលជាមួយឲ្យ how នេះចឹង how នេះលោតចូលមកក្នុង where នេះលោតចូលមកក្នុង where ហ្នឹងគូមកចេញ it ឲ្យទុកចោលម្ដុំសិន the why ជា subject របស់ subordinate ខ្លះ is ជា finite verb ហើយវាទៅជា in train កន្លែងហ្នឹងដោយសារអីបើគិតថាវាជួប not អាហ្នឹងវាជា auxiliary chẳng not năng thấy cái not năng is not chẳng mà nênทำไม is not ไอ้กี่ is not a good chẳngอันนี้เป็นยังไง a good จะสนะด่าจังสนะนะบ่าให้ด่าละเปอ a good housekeeper นี่ด่า noun phrase chẳngมีตัวในที่ตัวไอ้กี่ complement I is complement I subject วิ่งบ่าให้ด่าเป็นเปีย where เนี่ย where the why is not a good chẳng vìเป็นยังไง a good นี่วิ่งเนี่ยว่าอันนี้คือหาทา relative adverb of play สมองสมายใจบางคนด้วยอันนี้เวียเนี่ยเนี่ยจังขอได้ดังสันให้ยืงจับดามจับโยสับบนนี้คลอจับเปียกอะไรเวียตลอดกรอยนอนนั่งที่นี่ตะกอนี่จังมั้งเวียคลายตัวจี adjective คลอดักมุกได้ relative adverb มีตัวที่เป็นยังไง house เวียเรียงจะอีดให้อย่างเงี้ยยังติดตอนละบางคน square relative adverb อ่ะนะให้ประโยคนั้นโดยยังปราบยังทำยังปีบะแมนเทนจังอันนี้ดังทำสำนางขย่มหรือสำนางบางโป้นี่คือใหญ่จังแต่สาบางโป้ความตร้อนนะแบบท่านละโมมนั่นคือปลายแต่บาได้มวยเดียด watch me do this เจ้าไอ้มือจมเถื่อนนี่จังประเทศบอกว่าคือ you สัตว์ประโยคบางความเชี่ยนะ watch ไฟใน verb ให้ดาวตัวจี trace the verb of incomplete มือหนาเก้มือขย่มตัวไอ้เก้มือขย่มเถื่อนนี่ object complement hai việc đào tu chỉ nắn phải là verb tiệt pro vị bè hay train để ra vị chụp cho mình nó demonstrative pronoun mực trong thừa này và môi tiệt my voice is brokenนี่là các bạn nhóm khôi trong my voice chỉ subject phải verb với từ is rồi tới in train sao tới chia linking pro chụp adjective brokenนี่cái bầm lái mà bị phát nữa trong complement is complement is subject đào mau trong sở đọc miền này thà về cái lại ní việc cứ chia verb Vest not one not cái này ní nhưng mà toàn về nhảy tì và để sao tại vì miền lẹ khăn vì miền rương miền thằng nào đàm tông với tục sần đào pin màu cái này ní vest chỉ noun nè và vest chỉ noun hay đào pin dây bị đường void khăn ông bị dùng tìm mùi khán địa void mi đúng thế này ní đào tu chỉ verb chấm này void cái này đào tu chỉ noun anh đang thằng nào bịa là bảo vì nè bắt tọt được chấm lục cái đà kia này hay chấm thôi cả bỏ slide bị đường bịa thao vest not one not ai mong ổn bản đằng ok lấy tao đào màu để dương tới thôi cả vest nhéก็โดยที่เราធ្វើការស្រាយប្រយោគតែទៅនឹងសភាសិទ្ធ West not one not ដូចខ្ញុំកណាបានបញ្ជាក់មិញអញ្ចឹងណាថានៅខាងលើខ្ញុំកណាចាត់ទុកថាវាជា noun មួយតែប៉ុណ្ណោះព្រោះអីវាជាសភាសិទ្ធវាមានតួនាទីពង្រីកនៃឲ្យនាមដែលនៅពីមុខវា cho bà xin cho miên sa mà nạ thì sơ khi nào đã chạy thấu sống về nhạy ở trong cái nào mà phía mau bọn mình chẳng đấy mình xong đi dương trời thương mệnh ở miền thương mệnh đấy dương trời sai vì ở tàu chị ấy kì vì phía sau này ở vì tàu chị complex sentence đấy ở vì tàu chị complex sentence chẳng phía thảo waste not one not này cứ mau vì phía tha if you do not waste you will not want bà xin cho nè mình chẹt chơi tí nè ở tàu cá đi nè ở trong bà này anh ấy chia complex sentence đấy hay cả na bà dương dương bị complex sentence complex sentence đại khát vì tại miền miền khlo muối miền sập bên này khlo muối hay lẹ cả na để dương trâu sầm co lá complex sentence hay dương trâu sầm co tha sập bên này khlo bị trầm ná lúc tra naแต่dương co sập bên nàyที่ conjunction นะเนี่ยខ្ញុំប្រាប់តែម្ដងឧទាហរណ៍ថា if you do not waste អាហ្នឹងគេហៅឈ្មោះថាសពបទនេះខ្លះនេះឃើញមានន័យអគ្រប់ឯងតាមពិតទៅបើដល់ if ចឹងចាប់ពី you do not waste អាហ្នឹងខ្លះប្រយោគតែដល់ពេលយើងដាក់ subordinating conjunction ចូលឆ្នោបអនុសន្តានហ្នឹងអាហ្នឹងរែកប្រយោគដែលមានន័យស្មើគ្នាវាធ្វើឲ្យវាคล้ายទៅជា subordinate ខ្លះនេះហើយជាហេតុផលដែលធ្វើឲ្យ subordinate ខ្លះនេះមានន័យមិនគ្រប់គ្រាន់បើចង់ឲ្យមានន័យគ្រប់គ្រាន់ត្រូវតែបំពេញន័យទៅឲ្យ verb adverb ឬ adjective ណាមួយនៅខាង main clause ហើយមួយទៀតខ្ញុំនិយាយឲ្យហើយគេអាចដាក់ subordinate clause ណាគេអាចដាក់ subordinate clause នៅពីមុខ main clause បានប៉ុន្តែ complete ក្បៀសឬក៏យើងលើកយក subordinate clause ទៅដាក់នៅក្រៅវិញបានតែត្រូវលុបក្បៀសហើយមួយទៀតខ្ញុំចង់បញ្ជាក់ main clause បើ complex sentence ហ្នឹងមាន main clause មាន subordinate clause បើ subordinate clause នោះជា adverb clause ឬជា adjective clause main clause មានន័យស្ដាប់បានគ្រប់គ្រាន់ប៉ុន្តែបើ complex sentence នោះវាមាន main clause មួយមាន subordinate clause មួយហើយ subordinate clause នោះជា noun clause main clause របស់វាគឺមានន័យមិនគ្រប់គ្រាន់ទេអានឹងគេលើកលែងអានឹងត្រូវចាំអាហ្នឹងណាតោះហើយការវែកញែកចង់ញែកពី subordinate clause ក៏បានញែកពី main clause ក៏បានប៉ុន្តែជាទម្លាប់របស់ខ្ញុំកណាគឺវែកញែកពី main clause ព្រោះអីវាមានន័យស្ដាប់បាន you will not want អ្នកនឹងមិនចង់បានទេអញ្ចឹងន័យវាគ្រប់អញ្ចឹងប្រធានរបស់វាគឺ you final verb វាគឺ will រួចទៅ in train ដោយសារវា auxiliary ណាវាជួបជាមួយ not អានឹងគេហៅថា adverb of disagreement បាទប្រើពាក្យផ្សេងមួយបាទកិរិយាសព្ទពិសេសអវិជ្ជមាននឹងឯងហើយវាមានទូនាទីបំពេញទៅឲ្យ want ជា be ដើរតួជា noun រួចទៅ in train ណា in train បាទរួចយើងងាកមកមើលខាង if you do not waste បើសិនជាអ្នកអត់ខ្ជះខ្ជាយទេឃើញន័យវាអត់គ្រប់ទេអនុប្រយោគអញ្ចឹងបើចង់ឲ្យវាមានន័យពេញលេញត្រូវពេញន័យទៅឲ្យ verb ណាមួយណាណោះអញ្ចឹង verb ដែលវាអាចពេញន័យបានគឺមានតែពាក្យ want ទេបាទព្រោះ will ពិសេសវាអត់ត្រូវការទេអញ្ចឹង subordinate clause ជាប្រភពពេលវាពេញន័យទៅឲ្យ verb វាខ្លាយជា adverb ដោយសារវា clause adverb clause ដឹកមុខដោយ if គេហៅថា adverb clause of condition បាទវិសេសនានុប្រយោគប្រាប់លក្ខខណ្ឌព្រោះអីដឹកមុខដោយ if ជាអី subordinating conjunction of condition តែយើងដាក់ conjunction បានដែរ you ជា subject នៅក្នុង subordinate clause do ជា final verb របស់ណាគេរបស់ you ណាហើយវាដើរតួជា interest ដោយសារវា auxiliary ជួបជាមួយ not អានេះដាក់ negative adverb ចឹងវិញទៅបាទ negative adverb បាទវាមានតួនាទីពេញឲ្យ waste ដើរតួជា noun បាទព្រោះវាជា be ឬទៅ interest បាទចឹងបូកវាចូលគ្នាទៅគេឲ្យឈ្មោះថា complex sentence បើយើងសូត្រនិយមន័យវាតាម book 3យើងមេរៀនទី7គេថាម៉េច complex sentence គឺជាប្រយោគមួយដែលមាន main clause មួយមាន subordinate clause មួយឬច្រើនដាក់ប្រមាណទៅអត់ដឹងទេបាទអានេះគេហៅថា complex sentence ហ្នឹងហើយហើយមកប្រយោគចុងក្រោយមួយទៀតគេដាក់ថា I wish I could go home you will get your wish someday ប្រយោគនេះដូចខ្ញុំបានបញ្ជាក់អញ្ចឹងកាលណាយើងឃើញ I wish បូកជាមួយនឹង simple past អាហ្នឹងគឺគេប្រើវាដើម្បីបញ្ជាក់អំពីការសោកស្ដាយក្នុងពេលបច្ចុប្បន្នហើយ simple past ជាប្រយោគស្របមកនៅពីក្រោយអានេះ I wish នេះប្រែបដិសេធបាទអានេះបដិសេធប្រែស្របឲ្យចាំផ្ទុយឥឡូវយើងវែកញែកវាទៅគឺ I ជា subject wish ជា final verb គេសួរ train អត់ train ដោយសារអីគេជួប noun clause មកពីណានេះចាប់ពី I រហូតទៅដល់ home នេះទៅគេឲ្យឈ្មោះថា noun clause ប៉ុន្តែហ្នឹងគេឲ្យឈ្មោះថា zero that clause ណាគេហៅថា noun clause ដឹកមុខដោយ that ក៏ប៉ុន្តែគេដក that ចោលអញ្ចឹងគេហៅថា zero that clause អញ្ចឹងវាធ្វើជា object របស់វានេះ I ជា subject របស់ subordinate clause could ជា final verb in train សារវា auxiliary ជួប bear អានេះដើរតួជា noun ព្រោះវា bear in train សារជួប home ជា adverb of place បាទ home ហ្នឹងកាលណានៅពីក្រោយ verb ប្រាប់ចលនាគឺ adverb of place ណា adverb of place ចប់មួយរឿងដល់មកប្រយោគមួយទៀតគេដាក់ថា you ជា subject will final verb in train សារវា auxiliary ជួប bear បាទអញ្ចឹង bear ដើរតួជា noun ទៀត train អត់ train ដោយសារជួបអីគេ your wish បាទអញ្ចឹង noun phrase អញ្ចឹងដើរតួជា object របស់ get នេះមក someday អាចជាធៀបបូក noun ចេញ noun fresh ក៏ប៉ុន្តែ noun fresh នេះវាបញ្ជាក់ពីពេលវេលាដូច្នេះគេបំលែងវាឲ្យទៅជា adverbial qualification ចឹងមានតួនាទីបំពេញទៅឲ្យ get ចឹងយើងហៅថា adverbial qualification ណា adverbial qualification បាទ adverb នឹងស្តៀងគ្នាទៅនឹង adverb equivalent ដែរប៉ុន្តែវាមានចំណុចខ្លះផ្សេងគ្នាចឹងសរុបសេចក្តីមកមានន័យថា wish ទី1ជា verb ចំណែក wish កន្លែងនោះដើរតួជា noun ហ្នឹងនិយាយពីរឿងថ្នាក់ពាក្យណាអូខេចឹងបន្ទាប់មកខ្ញុំនឹងបន្តទៅបញ្ចប់នៅប្រយោគចុងក្រោយមួយទៀតកណាជាចុងក្រោយញែកប្រយោគក្រោយគេបំផុតនេះកណាចង់បញ្ជាក់ថាសប្បាយចិត្តហើយអរគុណនិងអរគុណដែលបានឧបត្ថម្ភគ្រប់គ្រងទាំងផ្នែកថវិកាទាំងស្មារតីទាំងពេលវេលាដែលឲ្យកណាវែកញែកកណាសប្បាយចិត្តអត់ដែលបានញែកទេ30ឆ្នាំជាងហើយតែថ្ងៃនេះអស់ឥឡូវឈានចូលដល់ទីបញ្ចប់តោះ let's go ចឹងយើងមើលណាគេថា I hope you have understood this lesson now ខ្ញុំសង្ឃឹមថាអ្នកបានយល់មេរៀននេះហើយពេលនេះណា if you have not មកពីថា if you have not understood there is no hope for you បើសិនបើអ្នកឯងនៅអត់ទាន់យល់ទៀតគ្រូចាន់វែកញែកអស់ហើយលេងហើយគឺប្រកាសជាគ្មានសង្ឃឹមទេបាទដួលហើយអាហ្នឹងខ្ញុំបលើសថែមទេបាទតោះចឹងយើងមើល subject វាគឺ I final verb វាគឺ hope train ទេ train ដោយសារជួបអីគេ noun clause មើលឲ្យចេញ noun clause ណាតាមពិត I hope that អាហ្នឹងគេដកចេញចឹងចាប់ពី you នេះទៅក្រោយគេឲ្យឈ្មោះថា subordinate clause គឺដើរតួជា noun clause ដឹកមុខដោយ that អាហ្នឹងបងប្អូនណាអត់ទាន់ស្គាល់ត្រមសិនវាធ្វើជា object របស់ hope នេះ you ជា subject របស់ subordinate clause have ជា final verb រួចទៅ in train ហេតុអីបានវា in train ដោយសារវាជាកិរិយាសព្ទពិសេសគេមើលមិនបានដឹងថាវាជាកិរិយាសព្ទពិសេសគេយកវាមកបូកជាមួយ verb ទី3ដើម្បីបង្កើត present perfect tense អានឹងតើបងប្អូនរៀនការប្រើកិរិយាសព្ទពិសេសទាំង12ទៀតណាកន្លងមកយើងគ្រាន់តែដឹងថាពិសេសមាន12អត់ដឹងថាគេប្រើមិនខ្លះអ្នកខ្លះគាត់បានស្គាល់អា12គាត់ថាគាត់ចេះធៀបទៅយើងរៀនអត់ក្រោមមួយឆ្នាំនេះអាហ្នឹងបាទបើទៅសេដៃមួយថ្ងៃមួយម៉ោងអីបាទអញ្ចឹងវា in train សាវិ auxiliary បូក verb 3ណា understand understood understood អញ្ចឹងបង្កើត present perfect present ត្រង់ have perfect ត្រង់ have understood ហើយ verb ទី3យើងចាំដើរតួជា non final verb ព្រោះអីវាអត់ប្រែប្រួលទេបើយើងដាក់ I you we they have understood បើដាក់ he she it has understood យើងដូរ have ដាក់ has វិញហ៎ចឹងអានឹង train ឬ in train បងប្អូនមើលទៅក្រោយមើលវាជួប noun phrase ចឹងយើងដាក់ថា train ណាយល់អីគេយល់មេរៀននេះ this កាលណាជួប noun វាទៅជា demonstrative adjective គេហៅថាគុណនាមចង្អុលបង្ហាញណាអញ្ចឹង adjective បូកជាមួយ noun បាន noun phrase ខ្ញុំដាក់កាត់បណ្ដោយទៅវាធ្វើជា object របស់នេះ understood ចំណែក now ជា adverb of time មានតួនាទីពេញ understood អានឹងជា adverb of time ចឹងបងប្អូនមើលស្គាល់ធាតុវាអស់នៅពេលដែលបងប្អូនសរសេរអត់ចាំបាច់ខ្លាចទេតទៅទៀតអានេះជា complex sentence ទៀតអញ្ចឹងខ្ញុំសូមវែកញែកពី main clause មុនណាតោះ the នេះគេហៅថា unclear subject បាទ unclear subject បាទប្រធានអត់ច្បាស់លាស់ final verb វាគឺ is រួចទៅ in train ដោយសារអីគេវាជួប noun fresh នេះអាចជាបូក noun បាន noun fresh អញ្ចឹងមានតួនាទី complement ឲ្យ is complement ឲ្យ subject for ជា prepose prepose ទៅក្រៅ prepose is not fresh អ្នកនៅក្រៅ prepose is not object អត់មានតួនាទីធ្វើអីឲ្យណាទេណាទុកវានឹងទៅគេដាក់ប្រគ្រប់ន័យទេបងប្អូន prepose is not fresh ដល់មកខាងនេះវិញនេះ if you have understood សំទោស if you have not understood យើងចាប់ទៅវាមានន័យអត់គ្រប់ហើយបងប្អូនឃើញទេប្រសិនណាបើអ្នកអត់យល់អូខេន័យអត់គ្រប់ទេអញ្ចឹងគេហៅថាអនុប្រយោគអញ្ចឹងតើវាមានតួនាទីទៅអីគេកន្លែងហ្នឹងវាមានតួនាទីបំពេញទៅអានេះពេញឲ្យតាណូណាឲ្យតាណូហើយអញ្ចឹងវាคล้ายទៅជាអីគេ adverb ដោយសារវាខ្លះ adverb ខ្លះ of condition បាទរឿង condition ហ្នឹងវាយ៉ាងម៉េចអីយ៉ាងម៉េចចាំគិតទៀត if ដើរតួជា subordinate ក៏យ៉ាង son of condition you ជា subject have ជា final verb in train ដោយសារវា auxiliary គេយកវាមកបូកជាមួយ understood នេះបង្កើត present perfect ចឹងនេះដើរតួជា none ណាហើយ in train ចំណែក not នេះគេហៅថា negative adverb ចឹងទៅកិរិយាសព្ទវិសេសបដិសេធណាចឹងវាបំពេញទៅឲ្យ understood យើងត្រូវថែមណាចឹងស្រាប់ពីស្អីមកការវែកញែកប្រយោគនៅក្នុងលំហាត់នៃមេរៀនទី5របស់សភៅ Essential English របស់យើងបានបញ្ចប់ដោយបរិបូរណ៍ហើយបើមានអីខ្វះខាតក៏សូមខន្តីអភ័យទោសចាំយើងថែមឬក៏ព្យាយាមបន្តទៅទៀត